Hey, we make a little old bow knife we call the Foxcreek Bow knife, and it is no jokes. It'll be one of the sharpest knives you ever put in your house. The knife is designed for people that have MS and RA, carpal tunnel, lupus, things that affect the joints, the hands, people that can't grip. But with this knife, it's the only knife you're going to find that you can actually cut an apple up, let it set out all day, and it won't turn brown. Now, I'm curious as to what everybody thinks makes an apple turn brown. I know what the number one answer is that we hear all the time. But what do y'all think makes an apple turn brown? You can get an opinion off the internet, but I say it's a full of crap. But this knife here, though, you can cut apples up, and they don't even turn brown. It is absolutely a fun knife to play with. And they stay sharp about 30 years.